Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error 0x800f8001 on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, make sure to head over to System on the left pane, and then on the right side locate Troubleshoot as a category and click on it. Now just click on Other Troubleshooters, and afterwards click on the Run button next to Windows Update. Windows will now try to detect any issues and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can close these windows, restart your computer, and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to reinstall the recent updates. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, make sure to head over to Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on Update History. Now what you have to do in here is scroll way down until you find the Uninstall Updates category, and just make sure to uninstall the first update that pops up in here. This is usually the last update, so uninstall it, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and then finally go back to the Windows Update page and click on the Check for Updates button. Now you can just reinstall the latest update and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to repair system files. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. And in here in the command prompt, make sure to copy-paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, but copy-paste each command one by one and press enter after each command. Make sure to wait a bit because the scans can take a bit of time, and then make sure to restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to restart the Windows Update service. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type Services and select it as an application from the search results. Now in here in the Services app, make sure to scroll way down until you find the Windows Update service, double click on it, and then if you see that the service status is set to running, just make sure to stop it. Afterwards, after stopping the service, also make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and then once again start the service. Then click on Apply and OK to save the changes, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.